My channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use pretty prompt. Now, let me just tell you straight away that I was actually visiting AppSumo for another app, but then I came across to this app, and I was a bit curious and reading the entire page and then checking the comments, feedback, reviews of the people who are using and have tried the app, and I'm pretty impressed. So I went to their website to check if I can have a free trial or something like that, just to test the water. And indeed, they have 1 day, if I'm not mistaken, because I just uploaded it. I mean, I just downloaded it for my extension, and it says that it will expire tomorrow. But I have unlimited use of the pro version. So I gave it a try, and truly, I was so impressed that I wanted to purchase this so I can have, just to start with, I want to do just want to have the license tier one, and I want to show you what I did and how powerful this is, how helpful this is. It saves so much time and it can really generate good images, because I wanted to try it for a social media post. And I have this idea and I want to give it a try, and I'll show it to you. I already did generated some images, some posts, but I want to do it again for your reference, for your sake, so you can, you know, you will have the idea of how this software or this app definitely works. So I have this concept that I want to create a social media post for a marketplace, a parking marketplace. And this is what I would put. So let's start with this is going to be the concept. This is going to be the post concept. Just good like this, and then the visual, just like this, really, as you can see. And then caption direction. And then, as you can see, I'm using ChatGPT here. You can also use other AI, Gemini, Claude. So I'm just gonna improve the prompt, because I'm still, as you can see, it ends tomorrow, my pro trial. So this is what's actually giving me. High quality split screen, blah, blah, blah. I did not indicate the size or the format of the post, but I want to use this for Instagram. So let's put include the post format, and it's for IG. For ratio is 4:5. So let's give it a try. Enter, and it is going to revise the prompt. So include the format or line. You can read that there. The image should use a realistic photography style with sharp focus. So it's actually, the name of the marketplace is Volo Park. Let's give it a try. So this is the version 2. This is the version 1 that I created previously, and the original, your prompt. Now let me just, you can also refine it, but I like this one here. So let's just use that and let's generate. So obviously it's working. ChatGPT is generating the image. And you know what's beautiful, because there is consistency of the design and the style of the image. So I did that with another prompts, and I was really really impressed that I really really want to to get the lifetime deal here. So I'm not a so much you I don't really use so much, but I just want to, well, I could get another, I mean, the higher tiers, but I just want to use tier one for one specific brand. So, and I don't think I'll be using a lot of prompts there. So I like it. And look at the, while waiting, look at the reviews. Got 5 tacos, a game changer for my prompting workflow. Intuitive UI, UX, affordable, fast, and good. That really is true. And it's really easy to use. So let's see. And look at that. Look at that. Let me just expand that there. Look at how good that is. And if I want to change the color, then obviously just, tell the AI to change the color. And isn't that amazing? Like, this is so awesome. I love it. So yes, encourage you. This is a worth the investment. So get the pretty prompt. I have the link in the description below. It's also pinned in the comments. So please support my YouTube channel and use that link to purchase or get this app, and I'll get a small commission. So thank you so much, guys, for watching and following me here. So I recommend you to get the this app. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.